So starting with revision of Heron's formula, a bit of summary, a bit of moving ahead, a Jhatpat recap on what we have done so far. Okay. As it is in your earlier class, you have done about area and perimeter. Perimeter is the sum of all the sides, whereas area is equal to the total amount of portion covered in a triangle or in a quadrilateral, whatever shape or size is given to you. Heron's formula is nothing but area of a, says that the area of a triangle is root over S multiplied by S minus A, S minus B, S minus C, where A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. S is the semi-perimeter, and that is equal to perimeter, that is A plus B plus C upon 2. Moving ahead, area and perimeter, area of a triangle. Normally, we used to say till our junior classes that it's nothing but equal to half base into height. Because as we have grown up, we have seen that there are various other formulas also for area. It keeps on changing along with the type of the triangle. So perimeter is also nothing but sum of all the sides. Now, who is Thomas Rennie? Is there a child in your class named Thomas Rennie?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, please tell me that. And Vaishnavi Semva, child in your class? Vaishnavi?
Ma'am, she must be.
Okay, fine. Chalo. So there are 4 type of triangles we know of: equilateral triangle, isosceles triangle, right angle triangle, and scalene triangle. I need not specify what are each of them, but as we move ahead, it will be easier. Now, simply when we have area of a right angled triangle, right angle means surely there are 2 sides which have a right angle between them. Thus, either of them can be considered as a height and the other one can be considered as the base. In such a case, we can directly say that area of a right angle triangle is nothing but half of base into height. Very clear. When we are talking about equilateral triangle, we will be directly using the formula of root. Don't waste your time in MCQs. Put in the formulas where directly needed. So it's how it has been done. I've explained when we were doing. That is, we had dropped a perpendicular actually and done it. But now you will be using the formula that is root over 3 upon 4 into side square. All the sides are equal. Moving further, when we have an isosceles triangle, when we are working with an isosceles triangle. When we are working with an isosceles triangle, there is no direct formula for that. So for that, actually, we divide the base if one of the sides are given. Actually, when we put down a perpendicular from the vertex to the base, it divides the base into 2 equal halves, and thus you get 2 congruent right angle triangles. So we use that logic and normally work for area of isosceles triangles. Sorry? Now, importance of Heron's formula. This is helpful to find height of a triangle, to find the area of a triangle, also to find quadrilaterals, area of quadrilaterals. Is there anybody named Afreen Janvekar from any of the classes?
Yes,
Afreen, please give me yes, because I actually don't know the names. I'm sorry about it. Okay, now let's start. Yes, speak.
Ma'am, we weren't taught about the equilateral rectangle formula for finding the area.
This is from the previous slides only. I have not added anything. These are all from the previous slides that I have shown you. So take it down at the moment. Area of an equilateral triangle is nothing but, take it down, root over 3 upon 4 into side square. Now we will be using these to make our sums go faster. Okay, take it down. If something you have missed out, please take it down. That's why we are revising.
3 by 4 into side square.
Yeah, it's only root over 3, okay? So it is root over 3 side square upon 4, whole divided by 4.
Oh.
Okay?
Fine.
Root over 3 side square, whole divided by 4. Clear, all of you? Please take down whatever you feel you have missed out or whatever it is. Please keep on taking it. These are all old slides of mine. So when we were doing the chapter. Chalo, proceeding now. Now let's start working. Everybody is ready? So here we go. Find the area of a triangle whose sides are 9 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 15 centimeter. You can take maximum of 2 minutes and finish off the sum. Your time starts now. Fast. Give me the answer. Take down the sum very short, but do take it down. Hope everybody has written revision and is doing.
I can't see the question. The screen is too blurry. I can't read the numbers properly.
Can I fine? Find the area of a triangle whose sides are. I'll just put on this. Wait a minute. Whose sides are 9 centimeter, 12 centimeter, and 15 centimeter. Could you see that?
Is it 36 centimeters?
Hold a minute. Please let everybody do it. Please wait. Don't give the answer so fast. Hold a minute. 9, 12, and 15. Abhiraj, why have you raised your hand?
Ma'am?
Why have you raised your hand?
Ma'am, I'm asking that should we write the questions also?
I told you, please listen to me properly. I told you have to write the question in short.
Ma'am, is it 54 centimeter square?
Ma'am, it's 54 centimeter square.
Yes, ma'am, it's a Pythagoras triplet.
Perfect, perfect. Hold a minute. Let me go to the answer. How much did you say?
54
centimeter
Perfect.
square.
Wonderful. Wonderful. It is 54 centimeter square. A clap for you all. So others who have, dear.
It is also Pythagoras triplet.
Pythagoras triplet. Awesome. Awesome. So this 3 minute sum could be done in half a minute also. Others who have confusion in what is Pythagoras triplet and all, because 9 square plus 12 square root over that is nothing but 15. Wonderfully done. So others who have not understood that at the moment can use the normal method to work out. Please finish it off faster.
How did he find out? How did he find out that's a Pythagorean triplet?
Just looking at that. The first trial, the child might. Who did it? Who? Can you name yourself, please?
Dhanvi.
Dhanvir. Okay. Veer Dhanvir. At the first look at the sum only, he might have understood. Why not try it out like that? That's what he did. Nothing else. Okay. Others who are doing the long. Others who are doing the long method, please continue. Sushant sir, I have made you the co-host.
Thank you.
Yeah. Okay, done, children. Shall I move to proceed to the next one?
Yes, ma'am.
Either you have to do along within 2 minutes of time. Otherwise, take a click and let's move ahead. Here goes your sum number 2. I'm reading out the sum for all those who still have a problem in seeing the question. I'm reading it out. In a triangle ABC, AB is equal to 15 centimeter. BC is equal to 13 centimeter, 13 centimeter. And AC is equal to 14 centimeter. First, give me the area of the triangle ABC. Then we will look into the next part of the question. This question consists of two questions. First, give me the area of the question. Fast. Here also in 5, you can just check whether 13 square plus 14 square is equal to 15 square or not. If yes, use the Pythagorean triplet, use the property. Otherwise, use the long method.
84 centimeter square, the area.
Area is how much?
Ma'am, it's 84 centimeter square.
The area is
84 centimeter square.
Perfect. It is 84 centimeter square. Awesome. Wonderful. Now, if you have done with the area, go ahead and find the altitude. Now, the question is find the altitude on AC. Fine, altitude on AC. That means here you have a right angle. So another formula to find the area for right. Another way to find. Can you hear now? Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
The altitude is 12 centimeters.
Can't hear you.
Hello?
Ma'am, you're muted.
Yeah, no, I got dropped off actually. I again reconnected. Fine. Now again, I'll start with the sharing of the screen. Please be with me. Okay, here.
Ma'am,
Can you see the
is
screen?
too blurred.
Can you see the diagram?
Ma'am,
at least?
screen is
Ah,
blurred.
fine. There
Ma'am,
is some
it's a diagram.
connectivity issue. Children, there is some connectivity issue. I can't help it out, no? I've read out the question to you now. Understand and find the value of find the altitude on AC. Find BE. I'm using this also. Find BE. Come on. Sorry. How much?
12 centimeters.
12 centimeters. Okay, let me check. Moving ahead to the slide. Yes, it is 12 centimeter. Fine. So finding out 84 centimeter was not hard for you. Finding out 84 centimeter was again using the same formula. The same area of the triangle can be found out by half of base into height. Now your base becomes AC, your height becomes
Ma'am,
BE.
it's very blurred.
And thus BE is equal to 12 centimeter. I'll again stop sharing and I'll again redo it. Please wait. Just be with me, that's it. I've again redone. Check. Okay, shall I proceed to the next question?
Ma'am, we can't even see the screen.
Come only. Let it come.
It's just a blank
Screen
screen.
is not just a blank screen showing
Just saying
class
class
minus.
9 started
Screen sharing.
Wait. Let me start again. Check. Give yourself 1 minute of time. Hold on. Can you see the screen?
Yes, ma'am. But it's blurry.
But it's very blur.
You could magnify.
You can't even distinguish the letters, ma'am.
Not
Wait.
readable.
Tell me which part is not readable. That part I'll magnify. Okay?
Ma'am, actually pretty much everything.
Now it's at least better.
Chalo, do it. That's okay. Let's not waste time. Chalo, do it.
Ma'am, done also, ma'am. Can you go to the next question?
Yeah, but we can't do like this, right? Some people can't see the screen. Hold a minute. Let's give everybody time. Have some patience. All those who have finished up with this part, shall I go to the next part? Check the bottom of the screen.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I'm done with the whole thing.
Yes. Figure.
Done? So now I'm proceeding to the next question.
Ma'am,
Check.
can you go to the figure like 2 minutes?
Please look here for question number 3. Figure can be done by you. ABC was a triangle where BE was the perpendicular on AC.
Wait, ma'am. Not yet.
Please take down, hold a minute, Siddharth, I'll come back to it. Others start working on question number 3. Till then, I'll show you the previous question. The perimeter of a triangular field is 540 meter and its sides are in the ratio of 25:17:12. Is the question clear? Can you see the question?
Yes.
Find the area of the triangle. So here the sides are given in the ratio form. So be careful. Find out the sides one by one. The totaling is. Huh?
Can I tell the answer?
You please name
Ma'am, it's
yourself first.
90 meters
Ma'am,
square.
Atharv, okay.
Should I tell the answer or should I wait for others to complete?
Yeah, give me the answer.
Ma'am,
Give me the
it's
sides.
90 meters square.
What is 90 meters square?
The area is 90 meters square. The area.
It is 90 meters square. We are getting height. How 90? It is 9,000 centimeters square. Everything is in meters. Okay, okay. So here we have converted into 90 meters square. What are the sides that you have got? What are the sides? 250
No,
centimeters.
ma'am.
50, 170.
25 centimeters. Like
250, 170,
And 120. All in centimeters, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Fine. So if you calculate in centimeters square, I've got 9,000 centimeters square. So you are telling me 90 meters square cannot be the right answer.
90. It's not. No,
Do it.
It's not 90.
So it is 9,000 divided by 10 to the power of 4. So it will be for you, it will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So 0.9 meters square.
0.9 meters square.
0.9 meters square. Okay. All those who are taking time, please do this. Finish it off. So the best part was given perimeter was 540 and here you got 54x. So directly you could calculate the value of x as 10 centimeter.
Ma'am has already we calculated x first. Okay. Yeah.
Sorry?
Nothing. My bad.
Everybody needs to finish these sums, please. These look long, look as if they will take time, but actually no. You can do it faster. Yeah, now proceeding on to the next question. Question number 4. Keep on taking screenshots, please, as I said, or click on the question.
Ma'am, can you like zoom in little?
Achha, I'll do it. I'll do it. Okay. The sides of an equilateral triangle taken in order are 2, 6, 26 meter, 2, 7, 27 meter, and
it's a quadrilateral, not
it's a quadrilateral.
Triangle.
What did I say?
Ma'am, you are told equilateral triangle.
No, sorry. Sides of a quadrilateral field. Taken in order at 2, 6, 26 meter, 2, 7, 27 meter, 7 meter, and 2, 4, 24 meter respectively. The angle contained by the last two sides is a right angle. You can see the diagram properly. Find the area.
Ma'am, can you remove the black thing on the diagram?
There's nothing black on the diagram.
Yes, there is, ma'am. It's covering all the measurements.
I cannot see anything myself. Check now.
Okay, ma'am, can you just tell the measurement of AD?
Can you see the diagram?
Yeah, now we can. Now we can.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Everything is written in the diagram. Go ahead with it. So you have 26, 27, 7, 24. So go ahead with it. So it's a quadrilateral wherein you can see it can be divided into a right angle triangle and another a scalene triangle. So find out the areas of each of them one by one.
Ma'am,
Yeah.
AC is equal to 25, right? 25 meter.
Control. Yeah.
AC is 25 meter. Yes.
Yes.
AC is 25. So moving ahead with it, as you see, AC is 25. For the other triangle, which is not right angle triangle, the area of the triangle is 291.81 meters square. The other one is 84 meters square. So completely, you get the complete answer as 375.8 meters square.
Ma'am, the screen is blurred.
Is it for all the everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Fine,
Zoom
fine,
it.
fine. Fine, I've zoomed it. Okay. Is it okay,
Ma'am,
the
it
first
hasn't
part?
zoomed.
Huh?
It hasn't zoomed.
It has. It will take time, please. Shreyas, hold on. Have patience.
Yes, ma'am, it came.
It takes time.
Is the answer 375.81?
Yes.
84 meters.
Yes. Others, please wind it up faster.
Yeah, I'm done.
Fine. Here goes your answer part. Shall I proceed to the next slide now? As I said, please keep on clicking pics, otherwise we'll not able to finish off.
Ma'am, wait, ma'am, I'll take the screenshot.
Find the area. Others work on this. Start working on this. Find the area of the shaded region. So here goes your diagram. Can you see the diagram, everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Draw the diagram and start. Till then, I'll show the previous part to the others.
Ma'am, is angle D a right angle triangle?
No, nothing has been mentioned.
Oh.
But
Angle D can be
Angle
right
D.
angle.
D, I think D has to be right angle. Otherwise, it becomes yes.
Yeah.
It is right angle.
Otherwise,
Yes.
we can't solve it.
Otherwise, it is yes. I'll make it a right angle here. Wait. I'll use a pen and I'll make it a right angle here. Perfect. Otherwise, we cannot solve. Okay, I've made it a right angle. Continue. For the others, please finish off. Somebody said to show the question of the question number 4. Please check it out.
The answer.
Done?
And the answer.
Yes. Here is the answer. Taken the pic. I'll move ahead. But your speed has
Yes,
to
ma'am.
be this. So here is
You
the
can
question.
move. You can move.
I have done bit, huh? Check. So in the triangle ABD, 12, 16, and you have to get the side AB. So what is your side AB, children?
20
centimeter.
20 centimeter.
Yes, it is 20 centimeter. AB is 20 centimeter. Now slowly find out the area of the triangles one by one. And I mean the big triangle is what is required. Big triangle minus the small triangles. JB personal ne? JB personal.
Ma'am, is it 320 centimeter square?
For which one? 384.
Now it's 384, yeah.
Yeah, it is 384. Sanjana, check it out faster.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, could you go back to the diagram page once?
See, if I go from this slide, no, the magnification will go. So hold on, the people who are having a problem in this, let them finish, then I'll go to the previous slide. Because I've magnified this slide. Hold a minute.
384, right?
Yes, it is 384. Done? Now, all those who wanted to see the previous slide, here it is for you.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Fine, I'll proceed now. This one, 6th one. The base of the isosceles triangle, measures 80 centimeter. And its area is 360. So two things are given. Base is given, area is given. Find the perimeter. That means you need to find the equal sides.
Can you please repeat the area?
Area is 360. You can't see the screen. Wait, I'll again magnify.
No, ma'am.
Check. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So base 80 and the area 360. Isosceles triangle, the hint is isosceles triangle can be broken down into two right angle triangles. So here we go. So here your ABC is your right angle triangle, and we are dropping a perpendicular because there is no single formula to find the area of an isosceles triangle. The only thing is you have to drop a perpendicular, that's it. So a perpendicular will be your height. It will divide the base into 40 and 40. With that, area given as, area is given to you, you find the height, which is 9 centimeter. Once you get the height, you find the other side A. Both the equal sides are given as A and A. Finally, which is 41.
Mom, it's only.
Could you all find the height, H?
Ma'am, is the answer 41, the side, the isosceles?
Yes, yes, it is 41.
The equal side.
Yes,
It
41.
is
ma'am.
41.
And ma'am, perimeter is 162, right?
162.
Yeah.
Hope everybody is clicking pictures or taking print screens because we are coming to end of time. I have to move to the next slide. Shall I proceed?
Yes, ma'am.
Chalo.
Yes, ma'am.
If the area of an equilateral triangle, the word equilateral, so you know what is the area? Root over 3 upon 4 a square. This is your area. A square, A means side. Somebody is unnecessarily disturbing. Fine. So this is given to you as 36 root 3. So very easy. Come on, find it fast. Things get cancelled from both the sides. Find the value of A faster.
A is 12.
A is 12.
Ma'am,
And does
12.
perfect. Perimeter is 36. So now you have understood how to use formula for equilateral triangles. Fine. Moving ahead to the next slide. Take this down. The base of a right angle triangle. So it is a right angle triangle for you. So it's a right angle triangle for you. The base measures 48 centimeters. Hypotenuse measures 50 centimeters. The question is find the area. To find the area, I need to find the what? Height. Come on, give it. So height is root over 50.
Questions left?
50 square minus 48 square. Do it. Afterwards, Shreyas. I think 2 more. What is H? 50 plus 48 into 50 minus 48. So root over 98 into 2. What is 98 into 2?
The height is 14.
Perfect. Height is 14. So 98 into 2 is perfect. 98 into 2 is 196. So that's 14. So you have to be very careful when you read the sum. The most important catch in the sum was right angle triangle. In the previous sum, equilateral triangle. Everything is easy. Be very alert. Keep your rough notebook handy when you're working. So your answer is 336 centimeter square. Shall I proceed to the next question?
Just a second.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am, you can proceed.
Go on, do the same type of a sum again. I'll just check how many there. I think just one more is there. Okay, fine. Find the perimeter and area of a quadrilateral ABCD. ABCD is a quadrilateral in which AB is 21. Angle CAB is 90 degrees. AC is given as 20. CD is given as 42.
Ma'am, it's completely smart.
Wait.
Can you zoom in? Like, can't see the question.
Wait, I've done it. Hold a minute. Can you see?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am, not yet.
Oh, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
It will take time. It is not a class blackboard that I'm doing and you can see. Na? It will take time to go to you. Fine. Just take down the diagram. Give me the area of the whole thing. Area and the perimeter of the quadrilateral.
Mom.
మళ్ళా పడతావు చూడకే ఓవరాక్షన్ ఇస్తూ ఉంటే
Ma'am, there's some black box covering the measurements.
I have already shown you the diagram, right? Do as per the diagram. Now moving ahead to the sum again. So basically you're finding the area of the right angle triangle. Again, taking up, zooming it. This was the diagram for you all. This was the diagram. Is the diagram okay? Can you see the diagram?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, that's it. Need not look into the question. The diagram is self-sufficient. That's how your diagram should be. So give me the area of the triangle ABC and give me the area of ADC.
ABC is 210.
Yes, 210. And what is ACD? 336.
336.
So, ma'am, the final answer is 546.
336. So the answer is 546 centimeters square. Now this is not asked you only about the area. You have to find the perimeter also. So what is the perimeter?
Perimeter is 126.
Please don't talk over the mic.
Ma'am, for that we will find the hypotenuse of the right angle
105.
triangle
Yeah.
first.
It is perimeter is 126.
Sorry,
If you need to find the perimeter, you need to find BC. BC is root over 220 plus 20 square plus 21
29.
square. 29. So you get it 29. So BC is 29 for you. That's how this sum is started. BC is 29. So perimeter is 21 plus 29 plus 42 plus 34. That is 126.
6.
Now moving ahead quickly to the last slide. Understand the question. A parallelogram and a rhombus. So you should know what is the area of a parallelogram and what is the area of a rhombus. A parallelogram and a rhombus are equal in area. The diagonals of the rhombus measure 120 meter and 44 meter. If one of the sides of the parallelogram measure 66 meter, find its corresponding altitude. Now, to start the sum, I'll just show you this first. What is the area of a kite or a rhombus? Half into the product of the diagonals. Similarly, what is the area of a parallelogram? Nothing but can be written as base into height. Yes, this height is what needs to be calculated by you all. Now they are saying this is both equal. So half into product of the diagonals is equal to base into height. So now use it and find out the height. So here it is, just half a minute
what's the-
sum.
The answer is 40
Yes,
meters.
it is 40 meters. Anybody who did not take down the sum, please finish it off. I'll again magnify. Is the sum, you can see the sum? I have magnified it. Check it out.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, and now here goes your answer.
Ma'am, is it 40?
It is 40. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So everybody could take down all the questions, could do all the questions, or have taken down all the questions and the solution,
Yes.
children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So with this, and this is what the finally summarizing the area for square, side square, kite or a rhombus is, I said, parallelogram said, rectangle we know. With this, we come to the end of the session.